Yeah, excuse me. Sorry about that, YouTube. I didn't mean to burp. I didn't mean to burp. I guess I can get rid of that. Don't need that. Yeah. Rakata. Renta or Rakata Kata. I got it. Why did I say that for? I'm not gonna lie. Ricotta. Ricotta cheese. If you must know, YouTube, I put up for no music today. As swords are just crazy working on. And you get to see me fill up the sink. Sorry. That is not in the music suggestion box. Please try again and make her. So this thing, that's my drink. Fill my sink up, I drink you up. I am not cleaning the stove today. Maybe tomorrow for TikTok. How about this boy? Remind me of weekly challenge. So what are you gonna do for work tomorrow? Brad, you are a master shredder. So Larry, what would be your ideal song for just to go to make you happy if you're sad? I'm just kind of curious. Yeah, my song that goes with me when I'm sad is I want a little help from my friends. By Two Beatles. By John Lennon, and I think by Paul McCartney and John Lennon. He's listening to me talk. That's what he's watching. I'm a potato. For most of you guys on YouTube that saw the very first episodes of Wonder Years, I want to shout you guys out really quick. Just a little heads up, I love the classic Wonder Years, not the newer ones that come out, so not to be mean or stuff like that, but I just didn't like the new ones that come out. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, YouTube. Don't like the newer Wonder Years. I'm used to the classic. Like the one Fox had on. Back when I was a kid. Yep. Sorry, YouTube. That's just my opinion. I hope to God most of you guys respect that. I would respect your opinions in the comment section as well, so I kind of didn't like the newer one they had. I mean, it's the same characters, but it's not the same cast anymore, because they're all older and stuff, so I know we're all getting older, so, except for Larry. Hi, Larry. Yep. More he stays fit, more he stays younger. I'm Crazy Larry.